What's up, guys? Today I want to do a review of my 2019 diesel Cummins 2500. I want to show you guys around, and I want to show you what I've done to it. So let's take a look. This is a bone stock. Hi, Papa. My son. Say hello. So this is a bone stock diesel Cummins. Got it about 4 months ago. Put a lot of miles on it because I use it for work. It's my daily driver. The first upgrade I did to it was the step sides. So the automatic amp extreme step sides, which has 2 motors on it. Took me quite some time to put them on. Had help from my brother, cameraman right there. So it actually took us about 10 hours because we didn't know any better. But we wanted to make it right, and we got it done right. So that's an awesome addition. The other thing, come around this way, the other thing we did was we added a ram box. So if you want to take it right there, this was a SMB part that we got. It's right there, the cold intake. Need to give it a good cleaning there, but comes with the cover on top, comes with the plug. I took both out because I like the whistling of the turbo. So, and down there you can see the turbo. It opened up all this space here, and it works out great. Attaches to the factory air ram here, which gets all the air from the front. So it's a great addition. So it's a great truck, my first diesel truck, loving it. Next thing that we're gonna do to it, we're gonna do a suspension lift on it. But I wanted to show you guys before we did that what it looks like. So, all right, give you a little tour around.
Golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break.
I'm gonna show you guys the rims that I got for this truck. Let's go take a look at them. These are 20 by 9.5. Rims. I got these from CJC Off-Road. Shout out to those guys. Got them with the custom color. It's a triple bronze color. They're trail ready rims, heavy duty rims. So, take a look at what we got. Bronze rim comes with its simulated bead lock ring right here. Gonna go bolt it on right there. That's gonna be the look that we're gonna have, and we're gonna be throwing on the Dominator full suspension 3.0 pin top system from Carly Suspension. I'm getting that also custom colored, and then anodized gold. So it should be about 10 weeks until we get that. But other than that, if you guys want to continue seeing more of the build, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.